Oh, hello there. I didn't see you. I was just playing with my Star Wars Legos. I'm Adam Carlson, science teacher. Just wanted to let you know I just finished up my second course for Curious.com. This time, a little bit more intermediate and advanced stuff on Google Sheets. What's Google Sheets, you say? Well, it's the free online spreadsheet alternative to Microsoft Excel, offering you a lot of the functions along with a lot of additional benefits for the fact that it's all completely online, free, and cloud-based. This course is going to be a little bit more advanced than my introductory course. The introductory course is definitely for people who've never used it before or are very unfamiliar with spreadsheets. This one is going to be for people who've either completed the first course or they already know what they're doing and they're looking to do a little bit more with spreadsheets. There's a ton of great things that spreadsheets can do, and this is the course where I really am going to sell that. All the different great things that you can do with data and data analysis. First couple lessons are going to be on conditional formatting and data validation, two things that everyone really needs to master. Even if you're not going to mess with the data inside a spreadsheet, both of those, conditional formatting and data validation, offer you great ways to input data and to visualize the data that's already in there. I'm going to go into Boolean expressions, things that evaluate either true or false, along with if statements, something that's going to return different values based on a Boolean condition, based on whether or not something evaluates to be true or false. There's a lot of things that can come out of that, and you can make yourself look really impressive just by knowing how to use Boolean statements and if expressions. One of the other things I like to cover is how to count cells and how to do conditional counting and conditional summing, things that once again can make you look really impressive to someone who's never used spreadsheets. You didn't know that you could add these all up based on these criteria? I'll show you how to do that. Splitting and concatenation are great. You can take a bunch of data and separate it out into its tiny constituent pieces, and then from there, go through some analysis. Or concatenation is the other way. Take a bunch of disparate things and smash them together. You can make some really nice, clean spreadsheets by managing to smash together data from disparate parts. Really cool features. I'll show you how to do it. Sorting and filtering are two really cool things. Take this whole mess of data and just filter it or sort it down to just the ones you want. A lot of people, even experienced ones with spreadsheets, didn't know that you could dynamically sort data as it comes in, so it automatically updates. I'll show you how to do that. I'm pretty good with those. A lot of times people are going to put on a resume, proficient at Microsoft Excel or proficient at spreadsheets, when all they really know how to do is add together a column of numbers and maybe do an average. That's when the interviewer will say, "Oh really? Do a VLOOKUP." That's when a lot of people are like, okay, so maybe I don't. I'll show you how to do it. In addition to that, you can even say in that interview, not only can I do a VLOOKUP and an HLOOKUP, I can do an index match and show you how that's way better than VLOOKUPs. It's faster, I can do negative index matching, as well as a bunch of other really cool features with that. That'll blow them away. Finally, the last thing we're going to go into is graphing. It's great that you have all this data, you've arranged it, you've sorted it, you filter it. Now it's time to actually look at that and pick the graphic format. I'll show you how to do graphs, and even better, Google Sheets has this amazing feature where they will create the graphs for you. You just pick the one that you want from the list, and I'll show you how to customize it. Anyways, head on over to Curious.com or take a look at the link that I've put in the description for a 20% discount if you sign up through that link. Hope to see you at Curious.com.